Here is the part nobody thinks about. Humans have existed for 300,000 years, and for a long time, we had no idea what actually makes a human a human.
Look up, children of
So people did what a confused species would do. They built beliefs, stories, myths. You watch a baby being born, a seed becoming a tree, animals that look perfectly shaped for their world. And of course, ancient humans said, there has to be a creator who understands all this. But here is a twist. For thousands of years, nobody, not priests, not kings, not philosophers, knew the actual mechanism behind life. Everyone had explanations, just none backed by evidence. Then the late 1800s arrived, and suddenly, boom, science stumbles on a mysterious molecule inside cells. By 1953, we finally decode its structure. DNA, the instruction manual of every living thing. Not written by a deity, not etched by some cosmic architect, but shaped through billions of years of evolution and chemistry. Four letters A, T, C, G, reshuffling to create everything from bacteria to you. Once we understood DNA, life stopped looking like a top-down design product and started looking like a self-building system that follows natural rules. What older generation explained through belief or divine interpretations, we now explain through genetics, mutation, selection, inheritance. No disrespect, those beliefs were the best guesses people had, but today we have got the evidence. So yes, humans once said, only a creator could know how life works. But today, we can read the code ourselves, we can even edit it, and that leap from belief to understanding is one of the biggest upgrades in human history.